4 years ago, this card changed my life, and today I hope it will change yours. So 4 years ago, the exact same date, I was in my most difficult position ever. Borderline depressed, my back on the wall, nothing was working for me entrepreneurial-wise. I didn't know if I could pay my rent next month, and I was this close to go back to my corporate job that I fucking hated. And then I got this card from my parents. I will read it to you because it's in Greek. When you're in a difficult position, when everything looks like they're turning against you, and you feel like you cannot take it for a minute more, don't quit. This is the exact time and position that the tide will turn. We love you for who you are and because you never quit. This really gave me the extra fuel, the extra push to keep going. And this really helped me reach the position that I am today. So 2 things. Surround yourself with people that can push you, give you this extra fuel when things are against you. Don't be around people that drag you down. And if you don't have this support system today around you and you feel lost, you feel like quitting, I am here today to tell you that you need to keep pushing because the tide will turn. Merry Christmas, everybody.